Hi, I'm Alan with Blue Frog Plumbing and Drain of North Dallas. Did you know you can sharpen your garbage disposal blades? Well, that may sound daunting. This is actually a very easy and practical step you can take in maintaining your home's plumbing system. Simply place a couple of ice cubes in your garbage disposal while the water is running. Turn it on to allow the blades to chop the ice, and as they do, they will sharpen the disposal's blades. For all your plumbing needs, give the professionals at Blue Frog a call today. We're happy to help.